In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth section available here. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, just tap on the one you wanna connect to. Now use this switcher next to also allow access to contacts and call history to switch it on or turn it off and select pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request or accept it manually on a second device. Either way, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Now, if you ever want to manage connection to any paired device, just use gear icon right next to it and check out all of those options. You can manage them however you want to, like connect, which is super helpful when it comes to reconnecting, for example, headphones, or forget. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!